Hi everybody, I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to draw a very simple and nice scenery. Let's draw a dark line in the middle, just a straight line you can see to the half portion of the white background, making this portion a little bit higher, then coming closer to the middle and it becomes a little bit lower. So this is thin here and the line is thick here. Here you can just put some this kind of taller outlines for the vertical trees. And you can draw the pine trees here, which is very pointy, mountain trees pointy to the top, and it's wider at the bottom. So you can draw just like me, very simple and easy. Okay. And also it just goes to the end of the sketchbook. All right, here you just put a little bit shadow and a few reflections of the trees on the water. Just you can show the reflections like this one. And with the crayon you can just create little bit shady effect of the water, very soft shady effect. Okay, just use your fingertips to mix up the whole canvas with a little bit ash colors. Okay, all right. And here you can see on the other side there are some other branches. Okay, and those are partially visible. You can put something like the dropping shadow from the top and put the shadow like this. Okay, putting the water level and the shadow here. Okay, so some taller trees which is partially, you can see not that much depth in color but little bit soft in color because of a distance. You can see the very soft outlines of the trees over there, and put a boat here. Longer boat, and put the reflections on the water, a boatman at the bottom. And if it's a sailboat, put the sail here. Also you can have the reflections of the sails on the water. So very simple and nice scenery. And for the skyline, just putting a little bit darker shadow with the crayons here, just putting the shadows like this to the skylines. Okay, moving in vertical directions. Showing the darker skylines. Okay, that goes within the frame. So that's the outline. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Have a good day. Very simple and easy scenery. In few steps you can do also practice at home, and the drawing is going to be very fine. Thank you so much.